Hello YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm just joking. My name is Benstar, aka Mr. Trash, aka Mr. I don't know, whatever you want to call me. Bro code. Okay, let's get started.
I'm Gucci, man. I'm Louis Vuitton. I'm everything. Hello guys, welcome to Rerang Genevieve YouTube channel. RENEVIEVE.
Hey, welcome to the GuyCode segment. My name is V and I'm back. Like Mugwadla.
Tata, we are a blessed nation. We are a blessed nation. Like, comment, subscribe to Rerang
Genevieve. Yeah, so today we're gonna sip a little tea.
Or explain bro code. What do I consider bro code as?
These are sets of rules boys set among themselves and promise never to break them, mainly to protect their friendship and to respect each other.
Bro code is when COVID-19 stops you from saying you are brothers. They're literally stopping the code. You know what? Corona needs to end.
Basically, when Bafanas have an agreement that they're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6, and they stick to that. And if they break the rules, I guess they were meant to be broken.
Bro code varies in a lot of ways, you know, because like there are a whole lot of rules that we're supposed to live by as guys, and we're not allowed to break them. And if you break them, you're not really a bro, you're just a foe. Is that even a good word to use?
There's some lines we can't cross. For instance, I wouldn't date my friend's sister. That is just out of line. That is just you crashing the bro code in all sorts of manner you could think of.
Stick to the rules. Play by the game. The rule of the game. The rules of the game. Yeah, that's it.
Rules that determine the way you dress, the way you should behave around people, the way you should act towards like a football match or just a game, or the kind of beer you're supposed to drink, you know, compared to what a girl's supposed to drink, and the kind of, you know, they're just a whole lot. But I think most of the time when we talk about bro code, we're actually addressing bro code in a sense where we talk about relationship kind of bro code. You know, like if I was a guy, would I snitch on my friend on his girlfriend? Nah, that's not nice. That's not what bros do. Bros don't do that. Would I date my
Friend's ex? I mean, come on, I wouldn't go in where you were. Like, nah, man, that's just not right. It doesn't matter you guys stopped dating 6 years, 5 years ago. You're my friend. Your ex, out of bounds. Simple. No explanation needed. Straightforward.
What do you think guys do when they're with their friends?
So we basically talk about life, our goals, our achievements. Yeah, where do I see myself 10 years from now? We also do have gang fun. We do braais, go out for events. We go out for events which also include, like, it's more of an exercise thing, like we go to Kale. These things, I see them as therapy. Well, and
Boys, gentle men.
La re bua ka football, kgwele ya dinao, future plans, Marwen, future plans, future cars, di motorcycle-nyana monna, re bua
Football, I mean, that's all they talk about.
Play FIFA if you're a football fan. You could play music if you're a musician or an artist. You could dance, you could sing, you could do whatevs, man. And then you could talk about business, exchange ideas, you know what I mean?
playing games or talking about music? Okay, I don't really like football, so I wouldn't say okay, my niggas always try to talk about football, but nah, I never really participate. I always find a way to change the topic. Yeah, I broke the bro code.
Bet. Y'all niggas always talk about us. I know for sure. And you guys are probably talking about Jesus. Amen.
the most important thing, we have to talk about the senoritas, mamacita.
And 2% of the time they talk about girls. Unless you have a problem in your head, you talk about girls all the damn time, and you need to get yourself checked, punk. Kidding. I'm kidding.
Re bua ka banyana tota ela o bua nnete ela gore he mbra yaka ka nang mmedi o lo ntse re yana na ka rata ke ile yang Bryan. Next question.
What's so nice about football? I mean, come on, everything about football is nice.
Why is it interesting to watch people baragaraga bolo in a field, and kicking it into the thing, the goal post, whatever it's called?
The commotion, the adrenaline of running to score, how the other team defends. Ke gore hela. Ke gore disc wena o imona intsa.
Awakens the child in you, and it makes you forget about all your problems. Unless you're a Man U fan, then you know.
It's the winning feeling, you know. I won't like football kickstarts my week. If my win teams during the weekend, I know that coming week is an amazing week.
To win, to feel like you have, you know, like any other sport, I mean, that has balls inside. You know what I mean?
I'm a Chelsea supporter, like, yo, I'm not even a supporter, I'm a follower. Football is amazing.
When I'm Messi, you did it. When what's this guy, Cristiano something, you did it. Yes, that's exactly why.
I think guys judge a girl by the kind of job she has. Yes, they do. I'm gonna be honest with you, and that is so uncool because my character is not the job I'm pursuing.
No, I don't. It doesn't really matter to me. It doesn't. As long as she's grinding, that's all that's important. With that, I really I appreciate it. I mean, whatever job she's going through, it shows that she's a hustler. She's not dependent. I mean, that's beautiful. It doesn't really matter.
Never judge a book by its cover. Never judge. But I like him with him. I would never judge. So, no.
We just don't care about girls' finances. That's all. Cause basically our job is to finance the girls. Apparently, that's just how nature is. I mean, it applies everywhere, on cats, on dogs, mice, even ants. Most of these ants that go around are normally guys. They just want to provide for the queen. I mean, that's just how it is. It was programmed that way.
For the guys like to be very, you know, they want to show their masculinity. They want to show us that they are men. You know, they are protecting you. They're protecting you. They're securing you. They're securing the bag. They want to show you that you have chosen the right man, you know, who can take care, can protect you.
That she's actually doing something with her life, you know. I mean, she's trying not to just stay and be too, is it reliant? Is that even English? Yeah, that word. Yeah. Ish. English, that way. Went, gone, there, yes.
But I don't think they judge you. I mean, I'm sure men want women who are strong, black, independent women, you know. Viva. Yes.
You annual living, why would I judge you? I would only judge you only if, because also being a stripper is a job. It's a paying job actually. So yeah, my heart is not up for being stripped away. So if you're a stripper, you're gonna strip my heart away. So nope.
Yeah. What do you know if the girl is the one?
A guy will talk about this girl all the time. Will pay attention to the little details, the color of her nail polish, the color of her eyes, stuff like that. You'd know he met the one.
I'm a true believer of star signs. Yeah, I'm that guy, and I have a range on where I'm supposed to date and where I'm not supposed to. Okay, I wouldn't say I didn't try star signs that I'm not supposed to be with. I've actually tried them. I've been with them, and after being with them, I noticed why I was warned against them. But there's some that I've been with that I was supposed to be with, but then it could have worked. It could have been great.
At Tata, I feel if homie is doing all the right things, you know, doing all the right things, you know, he's calling her every day, they're talking every day, you know, 24/7. It's just me and babe, you know.
If I can get somebody, one, I can trust. Two, somebody who can challenge me intellectually, physically, mentally, you know. That's something I would really appreciate.
Me and baby boo, you know, always hitting me up like, hey, what you doing? Even if it's not necessary, like homeboys just be there like, oh, me for you.
Yo, funny, because I'm kind of a bubbly and funny guy. She has to be vibey, she has to be. Oh, wait, I wasn't told to explain my dream girl.
Homeboy, if he's in his feels, he's just like, you the one, I want all day. Everything and everyone else does not matter at that moment. I say baby, then I get scalona. Simple maths.
Somebody who, who I see myself with in the future. Like I said, this is a process you grow into. I can't just meet you today and I'm like, you know what, she's the one, I'm gonna take her down the aisle, to just do other part. There is nothing like that. That's basically impossible. So yeah.
Men always, they don't give, the same protection, the same love as they give other people. What Laba hela when I think I said akalalela abitswa ke di glow up. Because what hokomelwa, what check you constantly. What a baby girl be shining. Like you even see it on her. Yo girl, you are glowing. Because what? Homeboy got you. I'm not saying that women don't got themselves. Viva independent women. I'm just saying like homeboy be just turning you into a goddess. I mean,
When the person is the one, you can feel it. You see, for me, if our star signs correspond, and then I feel like we're vibing really hard, and like you get me, I understand you. Now I consider you the one. Like it or not. Yeah, by the way, I'm a Sagittarius. I'm sorry if this might be a turn off to most of you guys. I'm a Sagittarius, and yeah, the specific signs that I actually fit in a lot of star signs. I mean, I actually fit in with a lot of star signs, but yeah, but some of you guys are difficult. Yo.
And let's do this some other time. Peace out. I'm out. Yo.
Man, thank you for having me. This was such a short one.
Give you that Phillip. Some call me Lopopo, and hope you like this video.
okie dokie. So that video, guys, was dedicated to you guys, and I hope that you guys liked it. And if you did, of course, you gotta holla at your girl. Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like, and don't forget to share. But otherwise, from me to you, to me, thank you guys for watching, and be tuned. Be tuned. Limau, stay tuned for the next episode of GuyCode. Ciao.
We're in it. We got it. So I think that's it.